So now there are two prepositions, AUF and AN, where people have lot of problems. This AUF and AN also show a direction. For example, wir gehen auf den Markt. We are going to the market. Geht auf den Sportplatz. He is going to the sports ground. Geht ans Meer. He is going to the sea for swimming. Geht zur See. He is going to the sea. In all these three sentences, people find it very difficult why it is auf, why it is wir gehen auf den Markt, and why not wir gehen zum Markt, or why not wir gehen in den Markt. But in German, when you learn the prepositions, you should not ask too much questions. You should take it for granted and you just learn it. So don't say wir gehen zum Markt, wir gehen auf den Markt. No explanation, it's like that. Geht auf den Sportplatz. You have to learn it like that, no explanation. Geht ans Meer, he is going to the sea. Geht zur See. So when you use Meer, it is always an. When you use say, it is zu. Why? No explanation, just learn it like that. And now we are going to deal with two words, außen and draußen, which look very, very similar, but they are not similar. The best way to remember außen and draußen is to learn the meaning of this außen and draußen in English. Außen means on the outside part. For example, the house is außen gestrichen. Gestrichen comes from the verb streichen, which means to paint. Streichen, Strich, gestrichen. Infinitive, Präteritum und Perfekt. So das Haus ist außen gestrichen. The house is painted on the outside area, not inside. Then another typical construction, die Tür öffnet nach außen. The door opens towards outside, not towards inside, but towards outside. Or ich kenne das Haus nur von außen. I know the house only on the outside, from the outside part. So in order to make not any mistakes with außen and draußen, you just learn außen means on the outside part of anything, of a house, of a car, of a bus or a train. And there are some expressions like Außenseiter in literature and philosophy, the outsider. That means a person who has nothing got to do with the society in which he is living. He is just living outside the society, having nothing got to do with the society. That is a philosophical or literary expression. And now draußen, you learn it as outside, not on the outside, but just outside. Then you won't make any mistake. Draußen ist es sehr kalt. Outside is very cold. Where is draußen? Who is standing outside? Bleiben Sie draußen. Remain outside, don't come in. Steht da draußen im Garten. He is standing there outside in the garden. So Außen is on the outside of something and draußen is just outside. If you go like that, then you won't make any mistakes. Okay, that's all with the prepositions nach, in, zu. Till next time, bye bye.